Okay, so yeah, we're progressing pretty well with the avocado. Here goes your nom nom nom. Yep, there you go. And then once again, I'll do maybe a little rice cereal just to cleanse the palate. Luca, psst. Hey Papa, right here. There you go, baby. Good job, you're doing so good. And brother, he has his own big boy cereal, multigrain, with some smashed bananas and mixed with awa and some vitamin D milk and even some organic kids protein. Yeah, what do you think about that? Surprise, guys! Ooh. It's like a chocolate flavor too, so it's a little bit darker. Here you go, look at that. Whoa, coming in hot. There you go, sir. Yummers. Sheesh, you're eating all that? That was a big old bite. Okay. Here we go. I think this is like the biggest avocado bite he's had. Okay, let's see how he does. Hey, sir. Ready? Yeah, coming in hot. Yeah. Whoa, he's looking up at the ceiling fan. Something. What is up there? Yep. Okay. Oh, yeah, that was a big bite of something, Dad. What was in there? It's got an interesting texture. It's kind of like avocado, but kind of like mommy milk. Yeah, I know what you mean. There you go. And there's some more rice cereal. Okay, that's more like it. Baby likey. Yeah, coming in hot. Some more avocados. Ooh, whoa. Okay. Shoot. Hey, Papa. Here we go, coming in hot. Round. Yum. There you go. Excellent. Good job, dude. Okay, looks like he's calling for more. It's taking too long. There you go, sir. You're coming in hot. Okay, Luke, you're doing so good, man. Look at this whole avocado's almost all gone. Sheesh. Here you go, Luca. More. There you go, buddy. You're gonna grow up to be so big and strong. Look, your hair's already stronger. Oh my goodness. Sheesh. Yeah, you just want to even eat the cleanup spoon, huh? That scoop was just a cleansing of your face. More avocado. Yum. Check you out, huh? It's like avocado what? It's the bomb.com. There we go, coming in hot. Good job, buddy. Here you go. Well, I guess the trick is if you keep eating, it means you're still hungry, right? That you're. Yummers, huh? What do you say about that? I think those leg kicks were exciting leg kicks. Yeah. Those leg kicks is the one. Those are the ones I'm talking about. Shoot. All right, here we go. One more. Look at there. It's another guy. All right, so we're gonna make another little batch of the mix of the avocado and the mommy milk. Now we're just gonna mash it. Actually, it's kind of hard to hold the phone and mix it, but that's basically the idea. Smash it down. All right, we'll cut back. Okay, just mashing it and mixing it, and you get to the consistency you need. Okay, let's see. Luca. Hey, Luca, here we go, Papa. Hey, buddy. There we go. Yeah. Yep. Still loving it, Dad. Oh, you found Brothers Spooner? You're just kicking it. What's up? Oh, sorry. Oh, man, you were playing with that. Sorry. Sorry, Pops. Here, how about maybe we put that cool little guy on there? There we go. Oh, you just want more food, huh? That's all. Yeah, Dad, just feed me. Whoa. Okay. That was funny. That was pretty funny. There we go. Nom. Okay. And yeah, we're just going straight for the avocados only now. Whoa.
Stop it.
Hey, He-Man. Here you go, Luca. Here you go, Papa. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I think I know what's wrong. Oh, we need a clean spot here for it to stick. Dad, I noticed there's no food in my mouth. There you go. There you go. He's just tearing this up. Turn it up. There you go, fool. There you go, sir. Good stuff. Oh man, Dad, you're not going fast enough. Okay. No obstacle will stand in my way. Oh, hey. All right, well, got that one on. Tape. Let's see, what's the damage? Oh, not too bad. Not too bad. Maybe we'll just keep that guy over there for now. There you go. There you go, sir. Good stuff. Oh, and the other trick is keep the bowl out of the kicking range. Dad almost had a mistake there. All right, here you go, buddy. You're coming in hot, little man. Yummers. Yummers. There you go. Whoa, man, you love that stuff. Here you go, Luca. Sheesh. Big old scoops now. This is a routine bite now. Huh. No, Dad. I'll go. Okay, sheesh. I'm not going fast enough. I needed 2 spoons. Sheesh. Man, you really like avocados, huh? These are hamul avocados. You know what that means? These are Tom and Thea Almas. Yeah, like made them. They grew them. Yummers. Okay, there you go, sir. So pretty much killed that dose. Should I make some more, man? Huh? Let me see if I can get one. Well, actually, I'm not going anywhere. I'm just going to step right here. Come. Here's our avocado. I got a few pieces cut. Almond milk, masher. All right, I just pre-mashed them. I think that'll be easier. All right, mashed it up. Now we gotta. Okay, look at bear. Here we come. Thank you for your patience, sir. Well, our chef whipped up another batch of world-class avocado mash, avocado toast. Where's the toast, Dad? Oh, well, you just toast your champagne glass afterwards because it's the bomb. You know what I mean? Oh, yeah. Oh, no. There's your avocado face. It's back. It's back. Nom, 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 nom. Man, you keep coming back. That little cute little face. Man, these legs are whipping around. You love it, huh? Oh, let's see. Just took a bite. Give me the hype leg kick. Oh, yeah, there it is. Nom, nom, nom. Let's see. Bite and zoom, zoom, zoom. There it is. Excited. Excited, boy. Okay, sheesh, and these bites are still coming. Yeah, Dad. You're giving me that look like that. What's up, duders? Like, who are you talking to, Dad? There you go, sir. Yum, yum, yum. Okay. You know, Dad, let's just hold up on. Okay. Num, num, num. Num, 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 num. Okay, here's some rice cereal. Let's try that one. Okay. Might be done. Yeah, you ate a lot, sir. You tell me if you're done, pups. Oh, yeah? Yeah, it's pretty good. Oh, yeah? All right. Well, thank you, sir. I just, put two and two together. That's it. We're trying to expand your little palate. Get you more vitamins and nutrients. Yeah, whatever that is, Dad, keep it coming. Nutrients sound good. It's a weird word. What's new about it? There you go, Pop. Okay, whoa. Back it out. Back it out. There you go. Zoom, zoom, zoom. Whoop. What's wrong, baby boy? Oh, my goodness. Oh, yeah. Whoa, you want some more? Whoa, kick the spoon out. You want some more? Oh, sorry. I thought you were full. Okay, keep it coming. Keep it coming. More? Oh, yeah, you're just mad at Dad for slowing down, talking too much. Sorry, guys. Stop talking, Dad. You talk like Nana. Whoa. Whoa. It's all right. Let it all out. There you go, sir. And here we come with our little paper towel. chip, chip, chip. I hate it, Dad. Okay, all right. All right, and here we go. You okay? You all done? You all done, sir? We finished? We finished? Okay, I think we're done.